We're gonna make the North Pole Carlos Bakery edition. It's gonna feature a huge storefront with a rolling conveyor belt manned by Santa's elves. We're going up against a guy who does animatronics, so our thing's gotta move. We have some sophisticated methods.
Is that a sprinkler head?
That's how you use a wrench. This is some intense nonsense.
And we have some simple methods.
No.
I am the magical mechanical component in this machine.
This thing is gonna be moving all over. That's how we beat him.
When it comes to just banging out cakes, that's really one of our strengths.
I'm doing, all kinds of different cakes. I'm just going cake after cake after cake. So I'm making a snowflake cake. I'm making a ornament cake. I'm making a wreath cake. I'm making a holly cake. I'm using piping. I'm using flour making. I'm using fondant work. It's a mixture of everything to really capture the essence of the holiday. And the more I'm doing, the more I'm getting into the holiday spirit and having a lot of fun with it.
Straighten out, straighten out.
I gotta say, I was happy with our cake. I think both judges are gonna be really happy with this cake because it's a lot of color and there's a ton of cartoony elements. And it's very Christmassy. Time's up and I feel good. I feel really good. I love our piece and I was proud of my team. It was a close competition. It was great. I feel good. I'm going to Disney.